Today guys, we're getting Rookery Axe in LT2, means Lumber Tycoon 2. First up, you need to buy the dynamite there, but it costs a lot, so make sure you have a lot of money like me. But I traded for this hacker. What do you mean hacker? I mean friend, that his friend is the owner, so the owner join him and give him phantom wood so he makes fly. Oh, I forgot he's a friendly hacker, and please don't report him, please. And you will get the light bulb in the furniture store. But if you like to buy to get the other way, just buy 2 socks and 1 light bulb and 1 dynamite. And first, you need to go to the right side of the map and go straight. Now you will find this, but I just wanted to see, but I got accidentally teleported there, so we are going this way. You can walk through it, so I do not recommend walking through it because it takes a lot of time. But you need to walk so the dynamite can explode in there. Open box, detonate, and run. I recommend now I was saying I recommend not getting closer or your truck will be collided with the boulder, so yeah, that's what I was saying. Look and go to the right side and follow where I go. Here you find this eagle sign. Now you gotta find where the thing is. You need to place all your items in there. Don't go first because your items will be on the top. Be careful, you might go with the thing. Maybe you will fall, so be careful if you're doing this. Some YouTubers are doing this. Oh, I forgot there's a ladder here. And there's a combinations of this, okay? So I'm going to tell you first. The light bulb is over here. Wait, I can't place it. What? WTH. And the sack is going to be in here. Can't place it. And the green, the can of worms is going to be there. And you see the Rookery Axe falling from the sky, and you can actually get the end time axe with here in October 1st, and that's how you get the Rookery Axe. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.